Whoa! Howdy ho, bitches. Vortex time. Got a medium-sized chimney, not all the way full. Fire. We're gonna get the some chicken wings going here. Got around a dozen wings. I haven't had Vortex wings in a long time. We're using the new stainless steel grate from Jim Bob. Thanks, brother. What is it? OnlyFire. Vortex wings. It's been on there for, I don't know, 2 minutes. It's good enough. All right. I'll let that go. Put the Vortex in, dumper, and cook some fucking wings. All right, bitches. Woo. RTFO, mofos. See you in a minute. Vortex. Good enough. I didn't want to fill it up. I only got a few wings. What's the point of that? Don't waste charcoal. This will be enough. Nice. Stainless. Here are our wings. We got 5 with SPG and 6 with bastard rub. There you go, bitches. All right, bitches. It's been around 30 minutes. They look good. They're done. Use a thermometer if you're not comfortable. Those are good. We'll do it outdoors today. Royal Dalton outdoors. Pretty fucking high. Unorganized. More than normal. I'll put those guys right in the middle. Boom. There you go, bitches. That's how she looks. Whoa. Good enough. Yeah, you can't see fuck all, can you? I'm lazy. I don't want to move the camera. There. Fucking mosquitoes. Go away. Okay, these wings are fucking hot. They should be. They just came off the fucking barbecue. This is a SPG. Hot. Good. Wow. Tasty. Well, the Vortex works great. That's from Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue. The Grate, that's from Jim Bob. That works great. The Grate is great. Try one of these with the bastard rub. Fucking hot. That's fucking good. Alright, bitches. Well, that's enough for this video. Wild wing. Hooyah.